Look over. Yeah, 10-4. I appreciate that.
Oh, that was that Walmart driver.
Yeah, I'm right here about 240.
That was that Walmart driver?
Somebody want helping him?
He's out of the truck. Holy shit. You got it? Look at the bones of the truck. Wow.